Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how to change HDMI input on Sony Google TV. To switch between HDMI input on your Sony Google TV, you could use the input button on the remote or navigate through the home screen on the input item. First thing, you want to press the input button on your remote. And next, the input source screen will appear, allowing you to select the desired input using the arrow key and hit the enter button. Then, what you need to do is press the home button on your remote, navigate to input icon, usually in the top right corner of the home screen. Then you simply want to select your desired input. And after you've actually done it so, you'll be able to change it so. And then you could go with HDMI right over here, and this is how it's done. If you cannot find the input button on your remote, consult your TV's manual or the provider instructions. If you cannot access certain input, they may be set to skip in the video labeled or view video label menu. In some cases, the interface might be different, so you could also try exploring the settings menu, and there you could actually find it. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.